Welcome. So that you can solve this maths problem, so we are asked to find the value for a. So here is the solution. So on our solution, assuming that now we have the a, 8 to the power of a minus 2 is equals to 48. So how do we find the value for a? So when you have a to the power of m minus n, this one can be written as a to the power of m all over a to the power of n. So that is to mean that now we shall now have 8 to the power of a, then all over 8 to the power of 2 is equals to 48. So let's now work it out very fast. So now we shall now have 8 to the power of a all over 8 to the power of 2 is 64 is equals to 48. So then now we shall multiply both sides by 64, then also this side also by 64. 64 by 64 now shall cancel, so now we shall now have 8 to the power of a, so which is equals to 48 multiplied by 64. So the next thing, now we shall now introduce the log. So now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of a, which now is equals to the log of 48 multiplied by 64. Then from there now, assuming that we have, for example, the log of p to the power of m, this one can be written as m, the log of p. So instead of having it as the log of 8 to the power of a, we shall now have a, the log of 8 is equals to the log of 48 multiplied by 64. Then all of them shall be into bracket. So when you have, for example, the log of a multiplied by m, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of m. So now we shall now have a, the log of 8 shall be equals to the log of 48 plus the log of 64. So we can still have it as, so in this side now we shall now divide both sides by the log of 8. So log 8, then all over the log of 8. From here now log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So now a is equals to the log of 48, then plus the log of 64, then all over the log of 8. So we shall now have it as a is equals to, so divide both sides by the log of 48. So log of 48 can be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 8, then into bracket all over the log of 8, then plus, so the log of 64 can be written as the log of 8 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 8. So next we shall now have it as a is equals to, so here now shall now have the log of 6, then plus the log of 8, then all of them we shall divide each one by the log of 8, then all over the log of 8, then the plus, so the log of 8 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 8 all over the log of 8. So a can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 2, then into bracket all over the log of 8. So all over the log of 8 there, then plus, so log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So there now we shall have 1 plus, so log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. We shall now have it as 2. So next now we shall now say that a is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 3, then all over the log of 8. So since it was a multiplication, we shall now have plus log 2, then all over the log of 8, plus 2 plus 1 is 3. So assuming that we have the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So here now we shall now conclude our answer to be the value for a is equals to the log of 3 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 8 plus 3. So now this one now shall qualifies to be our most correct and the best answer. So if you loved how we've solved it up to this far, please kindly subscribe to our channel. So you can still now confirm this our answer if it is really the correct answer. So let me now bring our problem. So our maths problem was 8 to the power of a minus 2 is equals to 48. So since where there is written a, we shall write all of this. So now we shall now have 8 to the power of the log of 3 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 8, then plus 3, then remember we shall now have minus 2, then is equals to 48. So we can write this maths problem afresh by now having it as 8 to the log of 3 to the base of 8, then the plus shall now change to multiplication, 8 again to the log of 2 to the base of 8, then now shall also multiply by, so here now 3 minus 2 is 1, so now shall now have 8 to the power of 1 is equals to 48. So now let us now cancel it out. The log to the base of 8 shall cancel this 8, so here now shall have 3, then 3 multiplied by, so the log to the base of 8 shall cancel this 8, so now shall have 2, then multiplied by 8 to the power of 1 shall remain to be 8 is equals to 48. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, then 6 multiplied by 8 should be is equals to 48. So 6 multiplied by 8 is 48 is equals to 48. So it means that our answer is very, very correct. When we say that the value for a, so we say that the value for a is equals to the log of 3 to the base of 8 plus the log of 2 to the base of 8, then plus 3. So this one now is the correct answer for that maths problem. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.